Hello, my name is Pravika and I'm going to present about marketing implementation for Sunly Insurance, which is part of CIMB first product. So first of all, in marketing implementation, which is marketing organization, we use customer-oriented marketing organization. Customer-oriented marketing organization structure are more concentrated in the type of customer we target, and also they help us to differentiate the group of customers in their different classes or categories. This also helps us to give full attention to each type of customer without having any bias. And also it's easy for us to explain about the product to the customer because each customer has different needs and different needs, so it's more easy to see when we follow the customer oriented marketing organization. So the customer-oriented marketing organization, which is the group of customers, consists undergraduate. This is because no number of students who is undergraduate are the most highest in UM. And then the second one is a postgraduate because most of the postgraduate are employed, and that means this product are very suitable for them, which is insurance. And then lastly, the student lives in Changi area. So, because there are a lot of school and residential area around there, so there are a lot of potential customers. So the second is the implementation process. So in marketing implementation process, we show the flow of activity that happen each month that we do the master plan. So in September, the first is we choose a bank product that want to be marketed. So the product that we choose is from the CIMB first product, which one of it is insurance, which is Sunly. And then we set objective and goals for the product, which is the objective is to make the product successful and to make sure every student aware about this product and its advantages. Lastly, to make sure the product will achieve success at the end in October, and then we appoint each member to the work. And in October, we determine potential customer and place the market. So the potential customer is the undergraduate, postgraduate, and also the student in China area. And then the place to market, which is Fremont. Then we set up the place to market the product. The reason we choose Fremont is because it is center places that student of the UM used to go. And then in November, we create and design poster of all flyers for the product. And then we advertise the product, poster and flyer to potential customer, and also to social media. And then in December, we open the booth to sell the product every month. So this is the contract that we use to show how many weeks that we need to use to do the activity, which help us to choose a bank product that want to buy in the market, and also the last one we open the booth to sell the product that we choose to see. So lastly, this is the CIMB Bank first poster that we use to promote our product, which we use our trademark is